What's going on, you guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another barber tutorial. And in this video I will be doing a burst taper with my Oster fast feeds. I know I've been using my cordless magic clips a lot in each and every video, but if you guys want me to use any specific clipper, leave a comment down below. If not, I'm going to continue using my Oster fast feeds or the cordless magic clips. But if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. Alright you guys, to get started with this haircut, if you guys notice in all my videos I always start off on the neck when it comes to tapers. So here I have my cordless detailers, and I'm going to go ahead and create my first guideline. Now using my Wahl 5-star shavers, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the neck taper by getting it nice and bald. Like I said, you guys, I will be using my Oster fast feeds for this haircut. And for the first step that I will be doing, I have my no guard all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a guideline by going up about an inch. Now here, to get rid of that bottom line, I went ahead and first I started with my lever all the way closed, and then worked my way to halfway, just to get rid of that bottom line. Now I went ahead and attached the zero guard onto the fast feed, and I went ahead and opened the lever all the way, and then we're going to continue blending up by going up about half an inch. Now I have my zero guard with the lever all the way closed. And if you guys notice, I will be using the corners a lot, just because with horsehair you kind of need to go like in every single direction just to get rid of that line. So sometimes your zero guard all the way closed won't fully get that line out. So you'll always want to go back to the previous step and then try to perfect the haircut as much as you can. Now his hair was pretty short in the back already, so I won't have to do as many steps. But here I have my number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and we're going to continue blending up by going up about half an inch. Now I went ahead and closed my lever all the way, and then just touched up any dark spots that I see. Now to get started with the side taper, once again I'm using my trimmers, And for this guideline, since it is a burst taper, you do want to make sure it's in a nice little oval shape. Now with the no guard all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and create another guideline by going up about 1/2 inch. And you want to keep in mind that you still want to keep that oval shape on every step that you do. Now with the lever all the way closed, we're going to begin to blend out that bottom line. I open my lever halfway, and then we're going to finish blending out that bottom line. Now here I have my zero guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create another guideline by going up about 1/2 inch. And if you guys notice, I'm basically only using the corners just because to keep that oval shape, it's kind of hard to keep that shape if you're using the whole entire blade. So I always like to use only the corners. Now here I have the zero guard with the lever all the way closed, and still using the corners, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that bottom line. Now I have my number 1 guard, and we're going to continue blending up by going up about 1/2 inch. Now here with the lever all the way closed, we're going to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. Now here I'm going to go ahead and line up the corner with the number 2 guard all the way closed, and that's pretty much going to finish off the taper. Now here I'm going to kind of lighten up the areas that I'm going to be lining up. So I have my number 1 guard all the way closed, and I'm going to go with the grain just to shorten it up. Now using my Andis GTX, I'm going to go ahead and start to line them up. And I'm going to try to keep them as natural as possible, but getting them as crispy as I can at the same time. But you guys, that was a cut. If you guys ended up liking this video, please hit that thumbs up. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to see more videos, little clips that I do, follow me on Instagram at JZepetoTheBarber. But until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys next week.
Haters been about it. Preach. You in the club throwing dollars, but I'm saving mine so my kids go to college. Preach. Or maybe whatever they wanna do. Preach. Just as long as they never say, Preach. Daddy blew $20 million. Ay. He had to flex to be acknowledged.